Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today is day 6 of the 1500 calories diet plan. The morning breakfast is going to be quinoa khichdi and 1 cup of quinoa khichdi has 192 calories. Let us move on and do our khichdi. For the recipe, I am going to take a cup of quinoa. Clean this with water. We are going to soak this in water for half an hour. Now take a pan, pour some oil in it. To this add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of split black gram and half a teaspoon of split chickpeas. Once the mustard starts popping, add half a cup of chopped onions. To this add few curry leaves and start sauteing this. Saute this for 1 or 2 minutes and then add a small piece of ginger, 2 green chilies, quarter cup of chopped carrots, a quarter cup of chopped beans. Now saute this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Let us add the required amount of salt. After sauteing the vegetables for a few minutes, you can add the soaked quinoa. For 1 cup of quinoa, we are going to add 3.5 cups of water. Let us bring this to a boil. Once it starts boiling, we are going to close this and cook until the quinoa turns soft. To avoid quinoa sticking to the pan, you have to open the pan and give a nice stir in between. This is done. The quinoa is soft now. It has to be like this. All we need is a cup of quinoa khichdi for the breakfast. One cup of quinoa khichdi has 6 grams of protein, 7 grams of fats, 26.6 grams of carbohydrates and 3.6 grams of fiber. Our morning snack is going to be a small papaya. It is around 50 calories. A small papaya has approximately 0.9 grams of proteins, 0.2 grams of fats, 11.3 grams of carbohydrates and 4.1 grams of fiber. Moving on to the lunch, we are going to have chapati, jeera rice and moong dal sambar. Our lunch is approximately 330 calories. You should take oilless chapatis. If you have any doubt, you can refer the day 1 video. Now let us move on and prepare our jeera rice. I am going to use 1 cup of basmati rice for the recipe. I have already cleaned it. Add the rice into a pan and add 2 cups of water. Let us bring this to a boil. Add the required amount of salt and half a teaspoon of oil. If you add a little oil, the rice won't stick to one another. Close it and cook until the rice turns soft. So here the rice is ready. Let us allow it to cool down a little bit. Now take a pan, add a teaspoon of ghee. To this add a teaspoon of cumin seeds and 2 green chilies. Now give this a nice saute for about a minute. To this let us add a quarter cup of cooked green peas. Let us saute this for about a minute and then add the cooked rice. Add few coriander leaves. Now give everything a nice mix. So here the jeera rice is ready. Next let us see how to prepare the moong dal or split green gram sambar. Take a pan, pour some oil in it. To this add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and half a teaspoon of split black gram. Let the mustards pop. Once the mustard starts popping, add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 10 to 15 shallots or half an onion, 2 green chilies and few curry leaves. Saute this until the shallots turn translucent. To this, let us add a quarter teaspoon of asafoetida and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Once the onions are translucent, you can add the tomatoes. You can add up to 3 tomatoes. We need to saute the tomatoes well. You can add the required amount of salt here itself so that the tomatoes will get cooked quickly. Once the tomatoes are cooked well, you can add 2 teaspoons of sambar powder. If you don't have sambar powder, add coriander powder and half a teaspoon of chili. Saute this for about a minute and then add 2 cups of cooked split green gram. You can pressure cook 1 cup of moong dal, that is split green gram for the recipe. Add 2 cups of water along with this. Give a nice mix. If you feel the sambar is thick, you can add another cup of water. Add few chopped coriander leaves. Now bring this to a boil and let this boil for another 5 minutes. So here the moong dal sambar is ready. For the lunch, we are going to take 1 chapati, that is no oil wheat roti, 3/4 cup of jeera rice and a quarter cup of moong dal sambar. 3/4 cup of jeera rice has 3.5 grams of proteins, 1.1 gram of fat, 33.8 grams of carbohydrates and 0.7 grams of fiber. A quarter cup of moong dal sambar has 2.9 grams of proteins, 2 grams of fats, 14.6 grams of carbohydrates and 2.7 grams of fiber. 1 chapati has 3 grams of proteins, 0.4 grams of fats, 17.4 grams of carbohydrates and 2.7 grams of fiber. Our evening snack is going to be paneer fry and it is around 138 calories. Now let us see how to do it. For the recipe, we need 50 grams of paneer, that is cottage cheese. We are going to use only this much. To this, add the required amount of salt, half a teaspoon of chili powder, a quarter teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and half a teaspoon of oil. Give everything a nice mix. Let us transfer this into a pan and fry it. This is done. Let us take it out now. This 50 grams of paneer fry has 7.9 grams of proteins, 11.2 grams of fats, 1.3 grams of carbohydrates and 0.2 grams of fiber. For the dinner, we are going to have finger millet idlis and the same sambar which we have prepared for the lunch. Our dinner is around 372 calories. The sambar here is the same split green gram sambar, that is moong dal sambar that we have prepared for the lunch. Let us move on and see how to prepare the finger millet idli. Take 1.5 cups of finger millet, that is ragi. Clean this and soak this in water for about 8 to 10 hours. Now add a little water and grind this into a fine batter. So here is the grinded ragi. Into this we are going to add 1.5 cups of dosa batter. Give a nice mix. So here the batter is ready. Let us pour this into the idli plate. You have to steam this for 10 minutes. So here is our ragi idlis. We need 3 of it. And we are going to have a cup of moong dal sambar. The 3 ragi idlis has 4.4 grams of proteins, 0.9 grams of fats, 28.8 grams of carbohydrates and 3.9 grams of fiber. 1 cup of moong dal sambar has 4.8 grams of proteins, 3.3 grams of fats, 24.3 grams of carbohydrates and 4.4 grams of fiber. So today our total calories intake is around 1082. So day 6 is over. Meet you on day 7. Hope the video was useful and don't forget to subscribe our channel.